Comby 6000 is a three-phase steam generator ideal for industrial use, with a robust stainless steel body. The machine is equipped with a suction function. Such technology, called Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. In addition, the machine-exclusive Infinivac system offers the possibility to adjust the suction power to obtain an even better cleaning result. The boiler has a capacity of 4.2 liters, which develops 10 bar of power thanks to free heating elements of 6000 Watt in total. Additionally, the boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same. Thanks to our exclusive Dose Master technology from 1 to 32 levels, the electronic management of the steam detergent mixture allows you to mix the ideal quantity of solution with steam, thus avoiding any waste. In addition, the exclusive hydrojet system enhances cleaning by generating flows of wet steam and thus facilitate the rinsing of the surfaces being treated. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. Comby 6000 helps you master the most critical cleaning jobs. Thanks to the numerous and exclusive technologies present on this model, it can be easy to clean, sanitize and dry any surface of your industry. Furthermore, this model can be equipped with the exclusive hydropower technology, which makes it possible to connect Comby 6000 to the water mains for long-term work. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.